The question here that the sides AB and AD of a parallelogram ABCD, the equation of these two sides are given, and the coordinate of point C is also mentioned. We have to find the equation of the diagonal. So let's say if I draw a parallelogram first, let's say this be a parallelogram, and I name these points as A, B, C, D, as it is mentioned. We are given the equation of these lines. The first is AB is what? 2x minus y plus 1. I'll write mine plus 1 on the other side as minus 1. And the equation of the other line, which is, this is, yeah, this is x. This is plus 3 times y. I'll write equal to 10 on this side. And we are also given the coordinate of point C, which is minus 1 and 2. And we have to find the equation of the diagonals. The two diagonals, clearly one is AC here, and the other diagonal as BD. Now let's first obtain the equation of AC. Now first, in order to obtain the equation of AC, we can get the coordinate of A first. So what I'm doing, I'm writing this equation here. That is 2x minus y equals minus 1. And the other equation, I'm multiplying 2 on it. So it comes out to be 2x plus 6y equals 20. If I use elimination here, that is minus, minus, and minus this subtracting, this is minus 7y is equal to minus 21 implies y is equal to 3. Now, once we have the value of y, we can place here y so as to get this is 2x minus y, that means minus 3 is equal to minus 1. That means 2x is equal to positive 2. So x is equal to 1. Now check here, we have the now coordinate of x and the coordinate of A, which is 1, 3. Now we already have the coordinate of AC, so we can use 2-point form to obtain the equation of this line. So it's going to be what? Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That is x2 minus x1 will give you minus 2. That multiplied by x minus x1. Now this get cancelled, so we get this equation as 2y minus 6 is equal to x minus y. So writing in the standard form, it will be x minus 2y and plus minus 5 equals 0. I can see one error that this is minus 2, right? So this is not 2. This is minus 2 here. So now the equation will change here. Let me once again write on this equation. So this is y minus y1, which is 3, y2 minus y1, which will be minus 5 over x2 minus x1 remain as minus 2 into x minus x1. So this minus get cancelled by cross multiplication. This is 2y minus 6 is equal to 5x minus 5. So in turn, we get 5x minus 2y on transposing. And this is going to be minus 6 on the other side will give you plus 1. So 5x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. And this is the equation of the AC. Now, in order to get the equation of BD, as you can see, we do not know the coordinate of B or D. But we know that these two lines are parallel. So you know that when two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. And the equation of this line can be written as their AX and BY remain same. AX, that is 3x, x plus 3y is equal to, I took C as C1, right? As you know that only the constant changes. Similarly, these two lines are parallel here. So we can obtain the equation of this line as 2x minus y. Its C will be different, that is C2. Now, what we can do is to solve these two equations. If I solve these two equations, we can obtain the coordinate of B. That's what I'm going to do here. So I'll write down the coordinate equation, that is 2x minus y equals -1 on multiplying. Right, we haven't as such obtained the value of C. So what I can do here, that this line will satisfy this point. So placing x as -1. So it's going to be, I can write placing x here as -1. So minus x, y as -2. So it's going to be -1 minus 6 is equal to C1. So C1 comes out to be -7. So I'm replacing this C1 with -7. Now, once we have obtained this equation of this line, this is -7. I'm multiplying 2 here to and reduce with this. So multiplying 2 here is what? 2 times x plus 3 times 3 into 2 is 6y is equal to -14. So if I use elimination here, this is minus, minus, and plus. This get cancelled here. We get how much? -7. Yeah, this is -7y is equal to +13. So y comes out to be 13 by -7, or say -13/7. Now placing y here as this, we are getting 2x minus minus plus, that is 13/7 is equal to -1. So it's 2x is equal to, it's -1 minus 13/7. So further simplification, this is -7 minus 13/7 implies x is equal to, this is -20, right? So this is -20 divided by 2 is -10/7. So we got the x and y coordinate of the point of intersection of these two lines. So that means we got the coordinate of B here, and the coordinate of B, whose x coordinate is -10/7 and its y coordinate is -13/7. Now, as we have got the value of x and y coordinate of this, similarly, we are going to get the x and y coordinate of the other line, that is other point, that is D. Now I'm using the same space to do it. So solve it. First of all, I need to get this C2. As you know that this point will satisfy this. So I can say that this is placing x as -1 here. So it's -2, and placing minus, this is +2 is equal to C2. So C2 comes out to be 0. So I am replacing this C2 with 0. That gives us the equation of the line DC. Now I'm going to solve these two equations, this and this, to obtain the coordinate of D. So to solve this, what I'm doing is, let's say if I write the first equation, that is 2x minus y equal to 0. Here I'm going to multiply 2. So it's going to be 2x plus 6y is equal to 20. Now on subtracting these two, this is minus, minus, and minus. This get cancelled. This is -7y. And this is how much? -20. So y comes out to be 20/7. Now placing y here, I'm getting what x as? This is +20, right? So it's placing y as 20/7 is equal to 0. So 2x comes out to be 20/7. So we got x as 10/7. Am I right? It should be. Now say if I replace this x and y coordinate of point D, x being, its x coordinate is 10/7 and the y coordinate is 20/7. Now from here we can obtain the equation of BD. So for that, we are going to apply the formula, that is y minus y naught, so y1. So this is minus minus plus. into y2 minus y1. So it's coming out to be 20 by 7 y2 minus y1, 13 by 7 over x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1 should give you how much? That is 20 by 7. It's coming 20 by 7. And x minus x1, the x1 is what? I've taken this as x1, so it's going to be plus 10 over 7. I can see that numerator you are going to get 33, right? 33 by 7. So you can write 33. This is coming as 33 over 7, and 7 over 7 will get cancelled. So we get this. Now, if we do cross multiplication or take LCM first, this will give you 7y plus 13 over 7 from here is equal to 33 over 7 into 7x plus 10 over 7. This is 33 over 20, right? This is 33 over 20. This is 20, right? So this is 33 over 20. I can cancel this 7 and 7 and then do cross multiplication. So finally, what we'll get here, that is, this is 20 multiplied by 7y plus 13 is equal to 33 multiplied by 7x plus 10. So this will give you 140y plus, this is how much? 20 into 13 is 260. 260 is equal to 7 into 33, 1 should give you 231. 231x plus 330. Now, this is 231x. Yeah, this is 231x. Transposing this to the other side, it is 140y. And that comes out to be 70 equal to 0. You can see it's divisible by 7. So therefore, we'll take 7 common. Dividing by 7, we are getting 33x, right? Minus 20y plus 10 equal to 0. It was a bit big, but we got it. This would be the equation for this, the other diagonal, that is AC.